we having this outburst of people coming in there. And when they come in there, they're targeting the front. We want to make sure that the people to the back, we still at the floodwaters. We loading up all this stuff in the kayak. Shark, where do we want to head out first?
And Harrier Trace where they was falling last night.
Harrier Trace, right? Before we go to Harrier Trace, let's go with that lady with that 5 children, because we know that condition we left them in last night.
You're doing tremendous work and we are happy to help.
My sister-in-law, what she did? She stand up and she took the picture of coming out of the soup. Yeah, it was madness that evening, bro. I'll never forget that. I'll never forget all them. And 3:30 in the morning, we went up on the roof. I remember when I went to sleep, the water was here. Right. When I wake back up, it was just under the top speed there. So we pushing dinghy and little inflatable dinghy and a little fiberglass dinghy, trying to go against the current. All we nearly get takeaway trying to push it because it had no engine. The paddles are trying to row the boat, we was going in circles with the current. So we holding gate and we trying to pull over and over. We make it around the corner. We push inside somebody's yard, they come out and they watch we there, and that's where we couldn't come out. We were drowned. I telling you we were drowned. I tell my 7-year-old daughter, we had no life jackets. Yeah. I see if this boat go down, baby, you're going to swim straight to the wall and hold on, and Papa going to come back for you. I see my family life flash before my eyes there.
And everything is good, man.
Well, they keep up the good.
Yeah.
They keep up the good.
Get what the correct people get done. Down here, right? Share extra, no. You know, the heart will go to you. Honestly speaking. That's no problem at all, man. The help is welcome. That's no problem. Always glad to.
Right here? Oh, Kevin, nice to meet you, Kevin.